Thanks for signing up to the Ageless Adept mailing list. Please check your email inbox. There'll be a confirmation email there for you to click, and then you'll receive your freebies. Meanwhile, I'd like to offer you a way to get a copy of A Clean Cell Never Dies, a physical copy, paperback copy, to hold in your hands, absolutely free. The only thing is I'll need you to pay for the shipping. You'll get the actual physical copy of the book, and all you pay for is the shipping. Now, why am I doing this? I'm doing this to get the book into more people's hands so I can accomplish my mission in life to share what I know so that others may grow. And hopefully, the end result is more people will tell their friends and family, and we can get a real movement going of people who want to pursue perfect health, long life, and the fountain of youth. So obviously I can't keep doing this forever because I'm losing money on each sale, but for this special offer, I'm willing to make that sacrifice. So please consider the offer to get a physical copy of A Clean Cell Never Dies, pay for shipping. Just click the button on this page, and on the next order form, you'll just tell me where to send the book, make the payment, and we'll be on our way. Thanks a lot. Bye.